List Lion review. Hi, Tommy Olsson here. Thanks for tuning in to this video. Now, List Lion is the program I recommend if you are a beginner and want to start making money online and build up a full-time income, a real business, and make high ticket sales to build that up that income. But it's also a good program if you are more experienced, already successful, and want to add another stream of income. And you get access to a whole system with all the training you need, and here you can see how the training is set up. It will only cost you a one-time fee of $7 to join, and when you join you get 100 leads added to autoresponder account, a free autoresponder account, so that you can start to email out. And when you generate new leads, the leads will be added to that list, so to say. So, well, that's how it is. So here all the training videos are to the right, and all the different step-by-step training is to the left here, of course. And when you have checked one training out, it will be marked like that. And yeah, get started that training, and let's build your business. Day 3, fuel the beast, the lion's den, and let's grab success. This includes the 5-day challenge. Earlier it used to be a 3-day challenge, but they added more great training here. And then what's next? And if you upgrade your membership, you get access to all these trainings as well. It's a lot of training here. You have bonuses, and you have messenger training, your own stuff for effective prospecting, and more. And they teach free ways of generating free traffic, organic traffic. But if you're interested to add maybe a bit faster results, you can also choose to purchase traffic here. And you have support here. If you have any trouble, they answer fast. So yeah, and if you become a WIP member, here's the WIP call scheduling. We also have a very good supportive Facebook group, and yeah, several of people that have joined that have struggled for a very long time to make any money at all online has in fact made their first sales with the List Lion, and some have made some major income to change things for them. And if you want to check this out more closely with List Lion, or if you want to get started, and click the link below. Thanks for watching this video, and feel free to subscribe. Bye bye.